Wagwan lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you're tired of plain rice or you just want to add some extra flavor to your rice, this is the perfect recipe right here. So to make this callaloo rice, you will need the callaloo, of course. Now I'm using fresh callaloo. If you don't have access to the fresh one, the canned one is fine as well. I have my coconut milk, all my seasonings. I have scallion, onion, garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme. I have my rice over there. Now the full list and measurements will be in the description, so make sure you check that out. You want to start by sauteing your vegetables. So to your pot, add a little bit of oil, followed by the onion, the garlic, the ginger, and you want to allow these to saute for about a minute or two. After you have added the callaloo, you want to allow this to sweat down for about 5 minutes. And then after that, you want to add the coconut milk along with some water and bring your pot to a boil. Also at this point, make sure that you give your callaloo some taste by adding some all-purpose seasoning and the allspice. And as I mentioned, allow this to sweat down for about 5 minutes. After adding the coconut milk and the water, you want to adjust the taste by adding some more all-purpose seasoning, and you want to cover this and bring it to a slight boil. Once you have added the rice, you want to stir this properly so everything is evenly distributed. So as you can tell right here, the rice and liquid ratio is just perfect. You don't need no more liquid than this. So what you want to do next is to add your scotch bonnet pepper, your thyme. Stir this up nicely and cover your rice to steam. So after most of the liquid is reduced, you want to now cover your pot with some foil wrap and allow your rice to further steam. So look at this, my people. Callaloo rice up and running. This smells so good. And let me tell you, this rice full of flavor. So you want to remove your scotch bonnet pepper, and you can also remove your thyme stems at this point. Beautifully done, simple and delicious. I made some coconut curry chickpeas to go along with this. Stay tuned for that recipe. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for some more authentic plant-based recipes. Bless up.